Hello, peace and abundance. In this video, I will teach you and you will receive everything necessary to program your mind to start this year 2026 by attracting the greatest positive abundance into your life. You can also start it on any date. It is not just for starting at the beginning of the year, but we are going to take advantage of the fact that 2026 begins in a few days to start this year in the best possible way. First, I ask for a few minutes of your attention so that I can convey some knowledge of what we are going to do. On this same channel, you will be able to find several complementary videos that you must use in the coming days to complete said mental or cerebral programming. Every day for at least 21 days, you should play these videos before you go to sleep and leave them on at a low volume while you sleep. It is better to be asleep. This part of the video lasts approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes. In this REM phase, while you sleep, your subconscious will capture manifestation and affirmation messages that will help you a lot. They will help you to believe that you deserve all the positive abundance that you should have, and that you still don't have, because you have been programmed for failure and scarcity. It will help you act accordingly by taking advantage of the opportunities that will present themselves to you. It will help you live in that positive state. And finally, you will attract all that positive abundance that you truly deserve. Now I will tell you which videos you should play every day and the order of these during those 21 days so that you can reprogram your mind and manifest and attract the greatest positive abundance you deserve. But first, I want you to start by performing a first manifestation of abundance to attract during this year 2026. Put the following in the comments. This year 2026 is the most marvelous, prosperous, and positively abundant year I have lived so far. This year 2026 is the most marvelous year, the most prosperous, and with the greatest positive abundance I have lived so far. Thank God. This year, 2026, is the most marvelous, prosperous, and positively abundant year I have lived so far. Did you do it yet? Very good. Also, of course, don't forget that gratitude is very important for things to go well for you. And as a thank you for this video, I ask for a like and, of course, subscribe by activating the bell so you don't miss the upcoming videos. We upload videos every day that will help you a lot. Okay, perfect. What are the videos that you must use during these 21 days of reprogramming to start this new year, 2026, with the greatest possible positive abundance in your life? Go into the channel and go to playlists, and you will see a list called 21 Days. The title is in English, but the videos are in all languages, with professional voice and audio translated into all languages. Don't worry. They are in order from day 1 to day 21. It is always better to watch the videos through the playlist. It is better if you leave the playlist sounding all night. It is okay if the playlist plays for several days in one night. Don't worry about having to wake up to turn off the video audio. Let it play all night, rest and sleep well. But the important thing is that you do the visualization exercises every day during the 21 days and then sleep while the audio plays automatically at a low volume. It doesn't need to be high volume since it is made for your subconscious, and the subconscious picks up the message regardless of the volume. I am very happy that you have reached this point in the video. That shows your commitment. Just watching these complete videos predicts a high percentage of success for you. With this attitude, I am convinced that this year 2026 will be the best year of your life so far. Start today with the 21 days list to reprogram your mind and manifest and attract the greatest positive abundance you deserve. Until the next video, peace and abundance.